Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so your Asha ma'am is here again to share this video with you. Now in this video we are going to discuss sentence part 2. Okay, I have told you now that for some reason I have segregated the sentence lesson into two parts. Sentence part 1 that I have already sent you. Now I am making this sentence part 2. Okay, so let us see what are the contents here. So first slide you can say that firstly we are going to understand what is subject and what is predicate. आज हम इस वीडियो में पहले सबसे पहला जो टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं that is regarding subject and predicate. Okay, so let us learn what is subject and what is predicate. Now subject tells us who or what we are speaking about. Okay, or you can say that also like for whom or what we are talking about or we are speaking about. किसके लिए बात हो रही है. That in that video also I have explained it very clearly that subject वो होता है जिसके बारे में बात हो रही हो. Okay, जैसे अगर if you are starting some sentence with some of the it can be subject also, it can be pronoun also. Like अगर आपने ऐसे start किया है that I have given you the example also like Rama sat on a bench. मतलब रमा बेंच के ऊपर बैठी थी. ओके, सो दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. सो whom we are talking for here? So we are talking about रमा right now. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? रमा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो रमा इज अवर सब्जेक्ट. ओके, क्योंकि उसके बारे में बात हो रही है. लेट अस सी द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो. The teacher is teaching you now. No doubt it is a current situation like I am teaching you right now. So the teacher, your teacher is teaching you now or the teacher is teaching you now. So for whom we are talking for? We are talking for the teacher. So teacher will become our subject. Teacher हमारा क्या हो गया? Subject हो गया. So subjects are nothing but the person or the thing whom we are talking for or which we are talking for. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही हो that will be called subject. And predicate क्या हुआ फिर? Predicate gives the information about the subject. Okay, तो predicate क्या करेगा? आपको subject के बारे में information देगा. तो after subject whatever will be there is your predicate. Okay, like in this example the children are playing. तो children हो गया हमारा subject क्योंकि हम children के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो the children are our subject. But उसके रिगार्डिंग इंफॉर्मेशन कौन से वर्ड्स आपको दे रहे हैं? तो आर प्लेइंग. ओके, सो आर प्लेइंग विल बी द प्रेडिकेट. ओके, लेट्स सी द सेकंड एग्जांपल. किशोर वेंट टू द पार्क यस्टरडे. सो हियर व्हम वी आर टॉकिंग फॉर? किशोर. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? किशोर के बारे में. तो किशोर इज अवर सब्जेक्ट. What information give and what is the statement which gives the information regarding किशोर? किशोर के बारे में हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन कौन से वर्ड्स या कौन से सेंटेंसेस में से मिल रही है? तो वेंट टू द पार्क यस्टरडे. तो वेंट टू द पार्क यस्टरडे द होल विल बी द predicate. Okay, so after finding the subject from the sentence you are easily going to find the predicate also. Okay, after taking the subject the other things whatever will be remaining with you will be your predicate. Like in further agar above example look at the above example Rama. So Rama I have told you that Rama we are talking for that. For Rama we are talking, so that is why Rama is our subject. So what will be the predicate in that sentence? Sat on a bench, because this statement gives the information about the subject that is Rama, so that is why that will be our predicate. In the second, the teacher is teaching you now. So the teacher is our subject. So what words give you the further information regarding teacher? Is teaching you now. So is teaching you now is there a predicate. You got it now. Subject and predicate बहुत easy होता है. Okay, the person we are talking for is our subject and the further information which has been given to you about the subject that will be called predicate. So sorry. Now let us see this. I have given you the picture also. Okay, the bucket was filled with water. Okay, so here I think ma'am has made one mistake. Okay, here the bucket is only the subject and other sentences like was filled with water is the predicate. Okay, the bucket is the subject and was filled with water was our predicate. Now look at the second sentence. The girls are sitting on the bench. Okay, so we are talking about the girls only. So the girls is our subject and are sitting on the bench is our predicate. Okay, the kids are running. So here also the kids we are talking for, that is why the kids is our subject and are running is our predicate. Okay. Now, what are negative sentences? Negative sentences क्या होते हैं? Okay, so let us see what are negative sentences. Sentences that have the words no or not are called negative sentences. जिस sentences के अंदर no या नहीं या not जैसे words होते हैं, they are called the negative sentence. It is very easy. Like whenever you are saying no to someone or whenever you are adding not to your sentence, you are speaking a negative sentence. ठीक है, नकारात्मक वाक्य जिसको बोलते हैं. ओके, लाइक देखो यहाँ पे गर्ल इज सेइंग नो टू समवन. ओके, इन द सेकंड पिक्चर, कैन यू प्लीज, वन बेयर इज आस्किंग लाइक कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी दैट और दैट बिकॉज ही हैज नॉट कंप्लीटेड द सेंटेंस. सो लेट अस लाइक कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस लाइक कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी दिस. तो द अनदर बेयर इज सेइंग नो सॉरी कांट डू दैट. Can't, C-A-N-T. So the short form of cannot is there. Okay, so no, sorry, cannot do that. Okay, so he's like refusing to do so. So it is also a negative sentence because nup, N-O-P-E, nup is also a word which is showing the negativity. Okay, जो nup N-O-P-E करके दिया है मैम ने, so that is a word also showing the negativity in the sentence. So these are, and even the cannot, the short form of can't is there. So can't means cannot. Like other sentences are also that don't, doesn't, didn't, haven't, hasn't. Okay, so the short forms of them are there, but the full form of that should be do not, does not, has not, have not, had not. So these all are the negative words. So whatever sentences including the negative words in that are called the negative sentence. Now I have brought one exercise for you. Okay, so write why to the negative sentences. Now from the following sentences you have to read the sentence first and then you have to tell me like is it negative or not. अगर वो negative sentence है then you have to write why over there. आपको वहाँ पे why लिखना है. Okay, so let us see. I am tired, मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ. Actually I am very tired of speaking so much of thing. Okay, so that is why the first is I am tired, मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ. तो क्या यहाँ पे not, no ऐसे करके कोई word है? नहीं है ना, तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट वाई ओवर देयर. हम वहाँ पे वाई नहीं लिखेंगे. ओके, इफ द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस विल बी देयर ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू राइट वाई. ओके, तो हियर वाई विल नॉट बी, वाई विल नॉट कम. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड वन को देखो. आई हैव नो मनी, मतलब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. I have no money, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. तो देखो no is there, so you are going to write why over there. Okay, you are going to write why over there. The second sentence is of the negative one. Okay, I am not writing the answer for you. No, I am not going to do that. You are going to do it by yourself. आपको ही करना है. Ma'am is not going to do that for you. Ma'am is just solving the questions only. Now look at the third one. Rohini is not in her room. रोहिणी अपने रूम में नहीं है. तो नहीं है, नॉट इज कमिंग ना, सो नॉट इज देयर, सो इट मीन्स इट्स अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड और यू आर गोइंग टू राइट वाई ओवर देयर. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड एंड थर्ड बोथ आर द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द फोर्थ वन. शालिनी वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू स्कूल. शालिनी को स्कूल में जाना है. आई नो दैट नाउ डेज एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू द स्कूल और एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू कम टू द स्कूल, है ना, सबको जाना है. लेकिन यह ओनली मैम हैज रिटन द शालिनीज नेम. तो शालिनी वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू स्कूल, तो क्या ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस हुआ? नहीं हुआ. उसको तो जाना है, उसे ऐसे नहीं बोला कि मुझे नहीं जाना है. सो दैट इज वाई दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नहीं है, तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट वाई ओवर देयर. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस लुक द लास्ट one. गीता विल कम बैक फ्रॉम मुंबई टुमारो, मतलब गीता कल मुंबई से वापस आ जाएगी. तो यहाँ पे भी नॉट, नो इज देयर, है ना. कहीं यहाँ पे भी कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं, विल नॉट कम बैक ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. उन्होंने बोला विल कम बैक, मतलब वो आने वाली है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ नेगेटिव sentence. So only in this exercise second and third one are the negative sentences because the words no and not are given there. Okay, so that is it from this. Okay, in this slide only two topics were there, what is subject and what is predicate, and what are the negative sentences. Okay, so that is it for this. So I am ending the chapter here. Okay, the whole sentences chapter ends here. So now further I am going to share the exercise sheet with you. Okay, so till then just be at your home, be safe. Okay, goodbye, your mom is signing off.